Hi everybody, welcome back. Hope you're all keeping well. This week we're going to be making some cheese sauce, the sort of thing you can use in your lasagna or cauliflower cheese, things like that. Here we have the ingredients for the cheese sauce. So we've got 100 grams or 4 ounces of grated cheese. This could be cheddar, or you can mix it up with some blue cheese if you want a stronger sauce. 500 mils or just under a pint of milk, that's full fat milk. And we have 2 ounces or 50 grams of butter. And then just a large tablespoonful of plain flour. Also, to add a bit of flavour, I like to grate in a bit of Parmesan cheese just to give that stronger taste to the sauce. So let's head over to the hob now and we'll start putting this together. Here we have a saucepan. We're going to put it on high heat to begin with. We're going to drop in the butter, let that melt. There we have the butter all melted. We're going to turn it down to medium heat now. We'll add in the flour. Give that a mix around. So all the flour now is dissolved into the butter. Now we can add the milk. And stir that around. And now we just want to heat the milk up, so when the milk really starts steaming, then we can start adding the cheese. You can see now the mixture is heated up, so now we can start adding the cheese, a little bit at a time. Allow that to mix in. Keep stirring, because you don't want this to catch and burn on the bottom, so just gentle stirring while you put the cheese in. And you can feel it's starting to thicken up. Get the rest of it in. There we go. You can see it's all dissolving, melting in, making that lovely cheesy sauce. As I say, you can use 50% cheddar, 50% blue cheese if you want a stronger flavour. What I like to do now is I'm going to get some of the Parmesan, just grate a little bit of that in, just to give that extra bit of cheesy, stronger taste to it. Get that. And just not too much, just a couple of grates of it. Let that mix in. And now we have a nice cheese sauce. You can also add just a couple of grains of black pepper to it. Doesn't need any salt because we used salted butter, so I find that's enough. But a little bit of black pepper just to give an extra little bit of flavour. Right, that's the sauce done there. It's quick and easy. I'll take that off the heat now and leave it. So there's the simple cheese sauce. It goes delicious with any number of things. So if you've got any questions or comments, put them down below. Give me the old thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here. I'll stick another video here and the old subscribe button in the middle. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.